Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the MRE Lite animal-based protein in the s'mores flavor. So I'm excited to try this one out because s'mores is a really cool flavor. The objective, our whole food meal replacement powder MRE is now available in lower calories, introducing MRE Lite. MRE Lite delivers the same great taste and whole food sources as our original MRE formula with much less carbohydrates, ideal for the person keeping a close and watchful eye on their macronutrients. That means if you're dieting and unrestricted calories, you too can enjoy the one-of-a-kind taste of whole food meal replacement powder MRE Lite. So, as a bridge between meals or a protein-rich snack, mix one pack with 4 to 6 ounces of your favorite beverage. My favorite beverage is Diet Pepsi. I don't think I want to put this in it, but I'm going to mix it up with some almond milk. So in one of these packets, there's 130 calories, and it's the same as 1 scoop, 2 grams of fat, 4 grams of carbohydrate with 1 fiber, and 2 sugar, and 24 grams of protein. And what I like best about the MRE Lite is that it has a whole food protein blend consisting of beef protein isolate, pea protein, brown rice protein, chicken protein, egg albumin, and salmon protein. So it's not whey based, and that's really cool because most protein powders are whey based. Smells like s'mores. I'm going to mix up 1 scoop here. I normally do 2 scoops, but I'm just going to do 1 to give it a full flavor review. And because I only got 1 package of the s'mores. Yep, smells like s'mores. A little chunky. Oh, that's good. It tastes like a S'mores Pop-Tart. It has the graham cracker taste and the chocolate and the marshmallow all at the same time. That is cool. I like this protein. Yeah, this tastes like you're drinking a liquid S'mores Pop-Tart, which is one of the best Pop-Tarts flavors. So, wow. That's really good. It tastes more like the S'mores Pop-Tarts than actual s'mores, but that's a good thing because the S'mores Pop-Tarts are delicious, so really good. I'll have 1 more sip and I'll give my final review. Wow. That was really good. If you taste the graham cracker at the first, and it's like a really strong chocolate flavor, and it transitions to kind of like a marshmallowy, graham crackery flavor. Really cool, and I like that a lot. I'm a big fan of that one. I'm gonna give that a 9 out of 10. That is one of the best protein powders I've had in a while. I'm very impressed with that. For a unique flavor like s'mores, it could have been kind of gross, but it turned out being really good. MRE Lite. Wow, very impressive. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.